This is the Central Park area and N block. Yeah. Here you can see the Palika Bazaar, and this is the park. In the evening, this place looks like heaven. It is morning right now, that's why mostly the shops are closed at present, but in the afternoon or in the evening it will be fully packed, fully crowded area. Literally there is no one and right now, and all the shops there, luxury, Sandoz is there, Plum. This area is very beautiful and it is located in the central part of the Delhi. This is CP, Connaught Place, and it is usually like famous for its the corporate sectors, the government. This is the government area. Then you can see the Kia showroom here, KFC, and all these branded shops, the stores. In CP you can easily find out that bars are available, and that would be a very very good amount you can pay for that, because that comes on the luxury side as it is the CP area. So we have to go to the Statement House building. Opposite to that, the Barakhamba, near to Statement House building, that is Barakhamba. I need to visit British Council, so I am heading towards KG Marg, and this is the area from where you can exit, and this is the inner circle. So my office is nearby. You can see there is one very famous restaurant, Karigiri. This one I'll show you in the close-up. Guys, this is a task to cross the road. This place seems to be very peaceful, but it's a huge crowded place, so you need to be careful while crossing the road. I'll be pausing it and then cross the road because I don't want to die. So after multiple times of trial, I am unable to cross the road, and you can see they are not stopping. So I need to use my weapon to stop them, and that weapon is nothing, just to give hand, like stop. But in CP you can't do that. It will be a fine. So उड़ा जाएगा ये, तो ऐसा लग रहा है, इतना चढ़ी जा रहा है. ओके, फटाफट आई क्रॉस द रोड. अभी लिटरली कोई भी नहीं था, so I have crossed the road. This one is the Karigiri which I was talking about. You have seen him, the chef. Name is Harpal Singh Sukhi, and he is the brand ambassador of this. Then next comes the local, my favorite place, which is I think not open till yet, and this is the cafe, the bar section. So I think it's closed right now, and it will be opening in the afternoon or evening, I guess. Yeah, it is closed right now. And then here goes drama cinema. So if you are interested in acting and modeling side, you can just enroll yourself here. So next comes, this is the whole KG Marg area, and finally I am getting late already because of shooting the video, and it's not so easy honestly to shoot a video in the public place, as I am running my channel, so I have to do that. That's my job. And yeah, it is first time I am doing this publicly. You see. see. Wow. He is struggling too much, but finally he did that. Okay, good job. So here comes, this is the whole kg mark, and oh my god, this huge crowded line you can see. This is the buildings. This is for the visa. This is the A Canada Center visa for applying visa. Okay, there you can see an American Center. That is the part of the embassy, American Center, related to mine. Mine is UK one, British Council. So it is related to that. And here comes just 2 minutes more walking, and then we will reach our destination. So faster. We need to be faster. This is one is the American Embassy and American Center. Okay, this is the bus stand. Then here comes the LIC building and many other banks. Axis Bank, SBI, all are located. And then chalo, late हो रहे हैं, चलो. I don't know why I'm shooting, but please bear up if the video will be shaking too much, because I'm walking right now and I have one bag and another bag with me here at the back. So be little cooperative, guys. I know I am not a professional video maker, but I'm trying my best. Okay, this comes ICICI Bank. Then this is the subway here. Next comes these are the buildings for corporate. There are many corporate offices and a great opportunity for you if you are trying in CP. You must apply here to see all the beautiful corporate offices, and there is too much of relaxation in CP as compared to other parts of the Delhi. So it's coming, this is a shop, Tapari wala shop. That is also a Tapari wala shop. Surya Kiran building. Then and we are about to reach. Okay, I'll show you one thing. That is the very popular, and I have been visited over there. Just a second. If it is possible to zoom in, then I'll show it. This is here. I have to land it here. The British Council, which is the place. Yeah, I was talking about. Okay, it is not visible from here. The Parikrama building, the Parikrama restaurant, revolving one. So this is the British Council. Now, morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Finally, after 1.5 hours of struggle, I landed up here, and this is my destination. So just going, and not too much late, but yeah, late. It's 9:15 around. This is the entrance. Here we go. Good morning. I'll show you that later on. So just the overview of this, and if you want full vlog of that, I'll show you that also. Okay, bye.